shepherds visit Jesus. In the fields near Bethlehem, there were some shepherds who were watching over their flocks of sheep. Suddenly, the sky was filled with a bright light, and they saw an angel appear before them. The shepherds grew afraid seeing the angel. The angel said, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news. In the city of Bethlehem, the city of King David, is born the Savior. He is Christ, the Lord. He is wrapped in strips of cloth and is lying in a manger." The next moment, the sky was filled with angels, and they sang praises to the Lord. And then, just as suddenly as they had appeared, the angels disappeared. Then the shepherds said to one another, "Let us go to Bethlehem." The amazed shepherds then went to Bethlehem, found the manger, and were the first to see Jesus. They told everyone that they had met the baby Jesus. The three wise men. The night Jesus was born, three wise men, called the Magi, from the east came to Jerusalem. They studied the stars. One night, they saw an unusually large and bright star in the sky. They understood that an important person had been born. "We must find this child and worship him," said the Magi. So they asked, "Where is the child who has been born to be the King of Jews?" "When we were in the east, we saw his star. Now we have come to worship him." The star they had seen when they were in the east went ahead of them. It finally stopped over the place where the child was. When they saw the star, they were filled with joy. The wise men went to the house. There, they saw the child with his mother, Mary. They bowed down and worshipped him. Then they gave him gold, incense, and myrrh. Fun Christmas. Donna was looking out of the window on Christmas. It was nice to see the snow falling. She said to Bert, "Look out of the window." Bert was nice and comfortable in his chair, wrapped up in his nice warm blanket. He didn't feel like getting up. "I don't want to get up right now," said Fawn. "I am nice and warm and comfortable." But Donna insisted. So Bert got up and took a look. He had to admit that it was beautiful outside. The ground was covered in snow, and big flakes were falling from the sky. Bert said, "It does look so beautiful out there. Let us go and build a snowman." So Donna and Bert went outside and they played in the fresh white snow. Then they had a lot of fun building the snowman. The fun ended with chocolate and marshmallows. What a fantastic way to spend Christmas! The bird house. It was winter time. The feel of Christmas was in the air. Lillian had a post box at her gate. She used to check it every day for post. One day, as she was taking out the post, she saw some birds huddled inside the box. Lillian was delighted to see the birds. She exclaimed, "It seems some birds are taking shelter in here. Poor things have nowhere to go in this freezing weather." Then Lillian thought, "What should I do? I should not disturb them." She thought hard. Then an idea struck her. She went to the garage and took out an old box. She decided to use it as a birdhouse. Then she went to the post box. She opened the door for the birds to come and go in the old box. Then she wrote a note on the box saying, "This is a birdhouse. Keep away." She wished the birds Merry Christmas.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.